Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good.
You just coming to hang out?
I'm just an observer.
All right.
We're here for the clean arraignment.
Arraignment? We're not doing arraignments in this courtroom.
Arraignment pretrial.
Oh, what's the name of it?
Clayton.
Oh, John Clayton.
Yep.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. This is like, don't
Just
do it,
different
don't.
wording.
I fully understand.
Did you talk to the prosecutor?
No, I'm not testifying or anything.
No. But I don't know if maybe she needs to be made aware of the reason it's staying here. Who, are you the one?
So I'm not even, this isn't my case. I'm here
Oh,
for-
okay, you're just, okay,
I'm
literally.
here for the other part of it.
Okay.
I'm here for the news part of it. You guys back all in person or did you still do some?
99% of his are in person, except obviously like our jail, we let them zoom in, and then out of state people. But otherwise, yeah. But she's still Zoom. She's transitioning to live, which is important.
Yeah. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
I drive and testify in court in many.
I because I like the live.
Yeah.
When I have to do a Zoom docket, it just drives me crazy.
Yeah.
Those people that can't connect, and it's like we've been doing this for 3
I know.
years. Why do you not know what you're doing yet?
Yeah, I won't even, because the media still wants to do a lot of Zoom stuff, and I tell them, no, it's like, if it's important to you, then you can do this in person. So,
Yeah.
He's not here. He's watching.
He's got 2 cases.
Okay. You're Mr. Margolis?
Yes, I am.
All right. What's it?
I need to wait.
I think you do. Just to let the judge know that he has the hearing just for 30 minutes, so.
Well, we can make sure that I'm not down. These cases, I didn't want to. He said, at least.
Yeah, I did see that he was not in.
I suspect he's still there.
I emailed assigned counsel yesterday
Okay.
and let them know that they needed to do whatever they had to do to, yes, to give you on that case also.
You know,
Let me go talk to the judge.
Margolis,
No, that's, up in the driver. There is. There is a lawyer. I never.
You're good to go. We'll just,
Can you?
yeah, let me read that for you. Oh my goodness. There's so many different people that I don't know exactly who does what.
Yeah,
So
but
I
at
sent,
least if I have it, when I get Friday, I gotta go down in those other two cases.
Oh, okay.
DUI, and I have it, I'll get appointed then, and, you know, a lot of times, if they show the appointment, say tomorrow, they won't pay me, show up.
okay, yeah, let me grab it for you.
No, I didn't do it. Well, here's- No. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. You're- here it is. Yeah. The meeting is so long. I think I feel real. It's hard to speak to. I got that life a lot. That's after.
Last time.
That's true.
Hey,
Hey, how you doing?
hi, how are you?
Doing very well. No, cannabis is a civil question.
All right, I will give it. Put it up here. Is your other one done then, or?
No,
You're still
I'm
working on that
still
one?
working on that one,
Okay.
but I figured let's take care of this one and then I'll work on the other one. The other one's not gonna be resolved as.
As
easily.
quickly.
Yeah,
All
yeah, we
right,
may end up having to come back on the other one. I don't know.
all right. Let me let the judge know.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You have a soccer appearance form, please?
I do.
Great. How are you today?
I am fine, how are you?
Great.
Yeah, come on over here.
I'm still sorry.
Where's your?
John Clayton. 230-05.
More time as possible.
Oh, and who are we?
PKX. I mean, I don't know. That's the. 775.
7.5.
Yes.
You guys are people on that?
Yeah, I think so.
So are you
Yeah,
guys
no,
just
no.
adjourning for, sorry, okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Unless you want to go on the record.
I don't need to, I don't know.
Okay.
Do you want to go on record?
He is present, he's outside.
Okay.
I mean, I guess.
Yeah,
It's a missing.
Yeah.
So.
He's one of the-
It's unless that.
Yeah, no.
Very well, just a mere.
Yeah. He's not ever close, so, all right. Oh, he ever close, so, this one, it's, That might be the one.
But eventually I will do the summary. Together.
Oh, yeah.
Why you don't click on.
No, I got you, I try to work with people, I'm not antagonistic. I usually call in cases, guys.
Second this week.
He followed you, followed your back.
We were around the block.
I was like, okay. All right, so we.
No.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
and, yeah, any Wednesday.
So you can.
You have another name?
I need to return there. DR 2 weeks out.
You'll see that, depending on what day you choose, because or July, it's two different lives. So. The only thing is, her next one's in 2 weeks. Otherwise, the next 4 Wednesdays are live.
Oh,
This weekend, I have a date in September. You can always, come and do it.
Okay.
So, I mean,
So do you want to do the 7th, where you get the Zoom date?
Exactly.
okay, so that's gonna be actually October.
Yeah.
That would be-
As long as it's not October. I know.
Well, then,
October,
you might have to go out.
October.
I have a fingerprint order for it in there. Yep.
yeah, no problem. I'll do that.
No, he's going to go to the MSP post on,
Because I
it has to be done on Thursday morning,
What I'll do is I'll.
in the morning, at the MSP post on, Telegraph and Taylor. They want him to just, it's at Telegraph, do you know MSP post on Telegraph, their address?
12111
I do get.
North Telegraph.
Telegraph, yeah, and Taylor, and it has to be Thursday morning, that's the only thing that they don't know. So I would recommend. I
It's
go-
way long.
I just think it's in the morning, I don't know the hours.
What's that?
It's in the morning.
I'm out of Lansing, man.
Yeah, all I tell people is just
Oh.
morning. Thursday morning. Well, let me. Nine thirty, 10.
Yeah.
8:45.
I'm not golfing that.
8:45 is good for. 8:45.
Yeah, 8:45 is
Yes, all right.
You highlight this correction, yeah. You have the fingerprint order.
Yes, ma'am, I have that. Let's take care of that.
And that to be turned. Line it. This prosecutor. The officer, so that he has.
Oh, that's great. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
All
thank
right,
you.
great. I'll make the packets, and we'll go from there. Right, I'll make your packets.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, did he just waive agreement? That's why we take fingerprints.
We're doing fingerprints no matter what, even though we waived agreement.
Okay.
I mean, we didn't have. anything to do.
So he's charged now.
All rise. Going to go to court now in session. Honorable Judge Oakley presiding.
Do you want to stop and bring that in?
Have a seat.
Ready, Mr. Bolanos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your appearance for, is it Mr. C?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Michael C. Jr. Your Honor.
All right, so I've got a plea agreement in front of me. It looks like Mr. C is going to plead responsible to a civil infraction and the original charge would be dismissed, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we don't see this very often.
No, that's like.
Well, I had the prosecutors look at the actual video and they were in agreement with my proposition, Your Honor.
Good work.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm assuming that's what you want to do to resolve this today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll accept your plea of responsible. Fines and costs on that file, $180. Can you pay that today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Original charge is dismissed. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Have a
Thank
good
you so
day.
much. I'll be back in a few minutes. I have another case. Your Honor.
We're ready.
Thank you so much.
Appearances on the People versus Clarence Hall. Morning, counsel.
Morning. My appearance.
Please.
Neighborhood Defender Service by Kate Demott Grady, P83667, on behalf of Mr. Clarence Hall, who's present with us here in the courtroom. Mr.
Morning.
Hall, will you please state your name?
Clarence Hall.
All right, and I've got a piece of paper that tells me we're gonna waive.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hall, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
I did.
You understand those rights and options, sir?
I do.
And you understand the possible, or you understand the reason for the preliminary exam?
I do.
And you understand a waiver sends the file downtown for the next proceeding?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you waiving today freely and voluntarily?
I am.
Counsel, are you satisfied?
I am, Your Honor.
So am I. Do an AOI, 9 a.m., 2 weeks out. And I need signatures from you two. So that'd be the 30th. Signatures, Joe? I'm done with the file. Yep. What time?
Yeah, 8:45, Judge.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Anything else?
Good luck downtown.
Thank you.
Are we ready on Devon Thompson?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
Daniel
morning.
Winter on behalf of Mr. Thompson.
All right, final pretrial?
Yes, sir. Complainant must appear.
Pick a
please.
Wednesday.
Let's do, Judge, are you keeping this docket for a while or?
No. No, looks like the next 3 weeks are my bench mates.
Can't do the 6th, can't do the 13th. No, it has to be on a Wednesday. Can we do the 27th, Judge, of September? Or the
Looks
20th?
like we can. 27th looks like us.
What about the 20th, Judge?
That'll work. 8:45,
Yeah, is that in, with you, Judge?
that's live here. Yep,
8:45.
Yep.
9:45.
no, 9:20.
7:10 to 9:20.
All right, Mr. Thompson, we're gonna get a notice for you. John Clayton,
That's it. You're gonna get some paperwork, just hang out.
gentlemen, your appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, Max Beisel, P7751 for on behalf of people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Anthony Adams, P33695, appearing on behalf of Mr. Clayton. And Mr. Clayton is present in the courtroom with me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Would you waive formal reading, counsel?
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
All right, I'll enter not guilty, please. I understand we've discussed an arranged or an adjourned pretrial of August 11.
That is, I think, October.
How
October
about
11th.
September?
Yeah.
You said August.
We don't want to go back in time.
Oh, if I could,
Unless I could play the lottery.
if I could. All right, so pretrial is going to be October 11,
Yes, Judge.
8:45.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, let's talk bond. People have a recommendation?
I would leave it in the court's discretion.
All right, any reason not to do a personal bond?
No, Judge.
There's no reason, Your Honor. Mr. Clayton is,
Mr. Clayton, I'm going to put you on a personal bond with a number of conditions. The first condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble. Second condition is pretty obvious too, show up on October 11. Is that with us? Who's that with?
That's what Judge Reed.
So that'll be by Zoom. And cooperate with counsel so we can move your file along.
yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw that up?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Anything
No
else?
questions, Your Honor.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
That's it.
Thank you, Judge.
How about Fred Davis Jr.?
That's the.
Oh, this is the KPS.
Yeah.
Cross that one off yet. Yep.
They have.
Are we sure this guy's not in custody? Davis,
I checked yesterday, he was not.
Okay.
in-
because I don't see where he posted.
Their system is down.
Thank you.
No. I mean, she was in here before, but I forget.
Talking. Really? No kidding. He's lucky to get out unscathed. What's that saying? No honor among.
What way? When they start digging the hole, guess what? So that's all.
I don't know. I was getting outbid. I never even looked at what I was getting outbid on. I put a bunch of $1 and $2 bids on. There was nothing on there, like really wanted.
Me neither. I didn't bid on anything. I was.
There was a pile of hand tools. I'll bid $1. Box of this, I'll bid $1. The only thing I really would like to get is one of those ice machines. The sharp image ice machines. Little ones, look like about this big.
Can you put it on the counter? Is it a counter pricing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I bid on, there was 2 different lots, 2 each, and I bid on those with the idea, buy 4 of them, one of them might work.
I bought one.
They work? Yeah.
There's a couple of issues with it.
Yeah.
Jesus, I'm- It said, untested. Works fine. One.
Okay.
But I keep.
Well, we do enough entertaining that, once in a while, it's like, hey, bring me a bag of ice when you come. So,
It won't keep up like that.
no.
Mhm.
How much ice does it make though?
It was a bucket, probably about the size of my hand.
Oh, hell, that's hardly worth that.
Oh, yours is a small one.
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah, I've seen one that it's like, it's.
No, this, the unit's about that big. But I don't know
No,
how
but the
big it is.
inside of where the ice is, it was like huge.
No, this is only about a little.
What the hell, your refrigerator don't make that?
Yeah.
Well, the thing that's nice for me is I fill it up, we'll put the water in, and then inside the ice cold water.
Yeah, that's right.
And so I got my own, I don't have to worry about, making them,
Yeah.
or stealing the ice. And
Is it fast?
it's relatively quick, it really is. Like if you waiting on it, it's not fast, but if you just,
Quicker than freezer and refrigerator.
I think it is. I totally, it's not, it's nuts. It does its purpose, it's not gonna,
Yeah.
so flat part.
Yeah.
But.
All right, call me. Did you see that, the original Judge Kirsten passed away yesterday?
Oh,
99 years old.
no. Oh, my God. I saw him about 4 or 5 years ago at the John River Christmas. I don't know if you were there or not. The one in Trenton. But in his 90s, he was still looking
Yeah.
pretty darn
Yeah,
good.
I saw him, I don't think it's been 6 months at one of the Wayne County District Judges.
And he still had his faculties.
Yeah.
At that age, that's amazing. Big rug. Yeah.
In person, on Judge Martin's. Yeah, not Wednesday.
Not this one. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
Bye, Mr. Blah.
Bye. Great seeing you guys again. You guys take care, okay?
Yeah, you too.
It's, I'll be right out. I'll be right there. I'm just saying.
You're just being stupid.
But, you know, that's what we're doing. You know. Yeah, yeah. They were looking for something maybe. Okay. So that's.
Yeah.
So they were. They're really.
Yeah, should be okay.
Hey, you guys have a great day.
You too, thanks.
So. What's your name, sir? Joseph. Oh. Brown, Joseph Brown. Cool. Yeah. And I don't get it caught on right now. Where's he staying? Pardon me. My attorney Josh said the Texas State College. You got it's really curious. What attorney tells their client?
how you want to handle that?
Um,
Get the transformers. I mean, you got dates and times and everything, right?
What's the shock? That's what he said. Because I go, He's. Now you understand what you're talking about.
No, I didn't turn this in. Yep. Oh, you're client? Yep, yeah, sorry. Thank you.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna do this adjournment.
I'm talking to Judge right now.
Well, yeah, I knew, Joe, that's what he.
But the defendant is here.
State troopers go to. They don't do it.
And they're not union.
Motor carrier doesn't have the authority to traffic trucks. I think this has all has to do with how pay scales, non-union, or at will employees.
So I got a couple of minutes or?
Yes.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, why don't you do that? I'm not trying to mean, like, why don't you do that? No, I appreciate you doing that, sir.
If we're all set, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
His message said we stuck at 696, waiting for
No,
roadside.
but we just have to be. I don't think I'll get time.
Mrs. Attorney, step up here, please.
Yeah, I can answer Judge.
Want to get to that? Hold on, go ahead.
He just messaged me and said he's stuck, I hired an attorney, he's stuck at 696, waiting for roadside.
Oh, okay. So he didn't say when, so I'll give you a 3-week adjournment.
I think that should be fine. So that just puts us off for another 3 weeks.
Correct.
Yeah, I reviewed in person.
When you get, it will be attached to your term.
Is it all right if I just send him a picture of it? Sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna mail him one also, but he should say just.
Okay.
Do you want like 9:15 or closer to 10? Like, what do you think?
9:15 should be fine. I really appreciate this, I'm sorry.
It's not your fault at all. You did what you're supposed to. You showed up.
Yeah.
That's why it goes through that nice wisecrack.
I figure if I'm late, it's bigger issue than if you
Oh,
late.
Right.
The difference here is you did what you were supposed to.
If you wouldn't mind letting Judge Green know, we apologize for the inconvenience and all of that.
She's the boss.
Well, today we just.
Okay.
Apologize for her.
Oh, okay. Just want to mail.
September 6th, 9:15 a.m. You think you said your house, let everyone will be in the mail.
Thank you very much. You do the same.
Mr. Schleif, do you need to speak to the prosecutor?
No, I don't believe so.
Okay.
Michelle, do we want to call Wayne County and see if they're gonna put him on?
Yeah, do we know if he's at Division 2?
We don't know where he's at, but I can call the main division.
Do these go to you or who do they go?
Kenzie.
Thank you.
The deputy's gonna call the jail and the old jail to double check where he's at. He should be on any time.
Thanks.
You get 3 of them. Those are mine. You have 3 more, and this one, this one, this one. Check now. There we go. So did you say some? Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna put them the same.
Mr. McNeil? Anybody, McNeil? Who's your attorney? Is it Qatar? Danny, yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
They can get out of the way.
Yep. And then make sure that you mark it off of the treasure.
Mr. McNeil. Question? Talk to me. You're free to go. Okay, all right.
No, I'm gonna ask. But that one, the people don't need to wait for. No, no, when it's a dismissal, they can wait, especially if it's a contract, unless it's their money on
This was the guy that got it.
Oh.
You said had one.
that. Yeah, well, the judge just has to write.
So the attorney can go?
Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate it. Yeah, take care.
Attorney? Are you're from Pepper? Well, I know you're not Ted Perkins, but you're from his office. I'll do you. So, am I changing it to you or you're just covering for it?
No, just come.
Okay.
Do you want me to check this calendar as far as setting the date?
September 20th or September 27th? The 20th or the 27th of September. Okay, so the 20th, I have 1:30 or 2. 2 o'clock? Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Rima, what's the defendant's name?
Vladimir.
Vladimir. Vladimir?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're on. Have a good day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning. Do you have Mr. Neely? I can't hear you.
Yes, I do.
Okay, great. Thank you.
We do not have Mr. Neely yet.
Oh.
I was just calling to check the status of what the court wanted to do.
We're waiting for him.
Okay, so as soon as they bring him back, because they sent him for in-person, I'll be logging in. I didn't have a good number to get a hold of you, so I just wanted to log in and check the status of it.
Is he
Oh.
on the way to the courthouse?
He was, and then they stopped it when they realized that he was supposed to be on video when we got a hold of him. So they said that he should be back here in a few minutes, and once he's back here, then we'll throw him on camera.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
I think we're up against September 20.
Yes.
Okay. Heather, we're gonna adjourn this, we're gonna adjourn this till the 20.
Oh.
Let's just call it 9 AM.
Oh, you took her on the record of that? Oh, you did. Well, we need to stay on record. I need to stay.
Gonzalez discuss it. Are we ready on Manson?
We are, Judge.
Your appearance, counsel?
And good morning, Judge Oakley. Good morning to your staff, Neighborhood Defender Service. Carrie Martin, P84592, appearing on behalf of Ms. Juanita Manson, who's to my left. Ms. Manson, state your full name.
Juanita Marie Manson.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Counsel, I've got a piece of paper. The prosecutor said they are willing to dismiss. I'm assuming that's okay with you, Ms. Manson?
Of course. Absolutely.
All right, and I do not see that you've posted a cash bond, so we're good to go. Case dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Judge.
Counsel, you'll explain without prejudice?
Yes. I
Thank
will.
you.
Without prejudice,
That means that
they can bring it back. So can we dismiss this with prejudice?
it's not something that they're extending it. It's at this stage. The prosecutors are the ones after. Judge just state something. Who you guys are with? Yes, Mr. Johnson, and I got one. Not sitting up there. All right, so these are both ready to set for example. Okay, that's got on record, so why don't you go take care of Mr. Lee and bring it to the whole thing, okay? Give Mr. Lee a form. Okay, was he ready to go to? Yeah, they're both ready to set for example. Oh, there it is. Set for example on record, right?
They don't have to, I mean, like, Mr. Martin's got one.
Yeah.
Did Mr. Lackner leave? Did Mr. Lackner? Are they on the hallway?
Honestly, I don't know. Well, I gotta scratch these off too, right?
Yeah, if you pulled them away, I would scratch them.
Right. Johnson and Leaf. On here. Johnson.
I don't think we're going to record. I don't believe we're gonna go on record, so let's be a second. Okay, just to pick some dates. Yeah. Great. I should say, I'll have Heather do that. Heather will do that when she gets back.
Okay, Judge.
No, I
see you stand up there.
No.
I don't want that responsibility. I did my 29 years out of work. That's good.
You just have two that need to be the same number?
2 exam dates, and I'll have a third later on.
Judge, you have everything that you need, or did you
I
need to
do.
go on record?
No, don't need to go on record. They sent me everything.
All right, I'll let them go. Where are those files? Oh, this one, we're gonna have to, arrange, he has a warrant for the rest,
Who's that?
Mr. Lee.
Is it, so he's never been arraigned on this case, you mean?
No, he's never been arraigned.
Okay,
I'm
so,
gonna guess maybe he contacted me to schedule.
okay. So did you ever have a bond set?
Yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah.
that- You never did. Okay, so we're just gonna do that today. Absolutely. Okay.
And Mr. Johnson, you need to make sure that, when you're done with us, after I give you your notice, you need to go upstairs and make a payment plan. Oh, did you? Okay, because I see that it was due August 17th, so you did make one. Oh, okay, I just want to make sure, we'd just like to remind you. Mr. Martin, did you want the 20th or the 27th? The 20th, I only have one more spot left. The 27th, if you plan on doing a couple, we can do it that day.
Okay.
Up to you.
So I know I have at least one, I think I've got 2 already set for the 20th.
All right.
And then the 27th. Set that day. Maybe we should just set all of mine today for the 27th.
Okay, good.
There's
Then
gonna
if
be a
you're
third.
agreed, I don't want to do all of them on the 20th. So.
You don't have enough, right? Yeah, let's do it.
So 12, 1, 1:30. I'll do Mr. Johnson at noon.
All right, 34th District Court now in session. Now move to deliberate.
Have a seat. Appearances for Devontae Lee.
Good morning, Judge Oakley, Neighborhood Defender Service, Carrie Martin, P 84592, appearing on behalf of Mr. Devontae Leaf. Please state your full name.
Devontae Leaf.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, so would you waive formal reading, counsel?
We would waive formal reading of the warrant, stand mute as to the charges.
All right. September?
Yeah, September 27th at noon.
So that's with us, so it's live exam, September 27, 12 noon. All right, counsel, what should I know before I set bond?
Your Honor, Mr. Leaf has not yet been arraigned on this case, but he's free now, and I would ask you to keep him that way. He's appeared on time for court today. He's been communicative with me. Is not charged as any sort of habitual. These are offenses that I think will be reduced to the misdemeanor level or dismissed one way or another. I'm asking for a personal bond.
Are you working, sir?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Jack Products.
How long?
Been there for about 5-6 months.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond on this file. First condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble. Second condition, be in court September 27 at noon for your preliminary exam. Third condition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription for the substance. You understand all that?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you violate bond?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
All right, you put your hand down. We've got a number of files here that looks like you've got a payment plan with us, but you're behind on payments?
To be honest, them tickets I have totally forgot about. I didn't even know my license.
All right. Can you get on track with some kind of payment plan?
Yes.
Can you set something up today before you leave?
I can't today. I probably can set something up like by next week or something like that.
I don't care if you make a payment today, but can you just put the plan in place?
Put the plan, yes.
Okay. All right. So when you're done with counsel on this file, go downstairs and tell them you need a payment plan.
Okay.
All right. You're all set. Counsel, anything else?
Nothing. Thanks, Judge.
Winfield, ready?
Daniel Batara on behalf of J.Lo Winfield, Your Honor. Can you state your name for the judge, please?
J.Lo Winfield.
Good morning. So if I'm reading this correctly, we're going to plead to disorderly. That'll be a 3-month delayed sentence. The original charge will be dismissed, correct?
3 months, HIDA, not delayed.
HIDA.
Yep.
All right. You understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
And did you discuss your options and your rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes.
You understand those?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge?
Yes.
Would you voir dire, Mr. Bitar, so I can get the facts I need for a May 6, 22 incident date?
Yes, May 6, 2022, were you located, I think it's Van Buren Township, Judge?
Correct.
Were you located in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Where were you at the time?
FedEx.
Okay, and you were there to do what?
Get
Did
my
you say
paycheck.
FedEx?
Yes.
Go ahead.
You were there to do what?
Get my paycheck.
Okay, and you had an interaction with an employee there?
Yes.
And did you spit at that person?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence?
Your Honor, my client is 20 years old, has no prior criminal convictions, high school graduate, is not working right now. Here with father today, has strong family support, Judge. We're asking you to adopt the recommendation under HIDA for 3 months with fines and costs.
All right. Where'd you go to high school?
Michigan International Prep School. It's on online school.
Graduated?
Yes.
Okay. Any further education in your plans?
No,
Are you working now?
not right now.
Anything you want to add before I sentence?
No, sir.
I'll go along with the 3-month sentence under HIDA terms. Court costs are assessed the amount of $300. Stay out of trouble. Can you pay that or make arrangements to pay it within the next 5 days?
Yes, I can make arrangements.
All right, go on downstairs and take care of that. Any questions?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Good luck. Oh, we got a fingerprint order, Mr. Bitar.
Fingerprint order?
Yeah. Can you appear at Van Buren Township PD today by 4 o'clock for fingerprints?
Yes.
You sure?
You gotta make sure you go. Okay.
All right, you're all set.
You're gonna go downstairs. Check with your-
Oh, we got to give him paperwork so we get his prints.
Thanks.
Are we ready on Neela?
I'm not actually, yeah.
Check it downstairs.
I am ready for appearances on the People versus Anaja Neely.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Meternick for the People, P84088.
And good morning, Your Honor. James Schloff, 30720, on behalf of Mr. Neely.
And Mr. Neely, can you hear everyone okay?
Yes, Judge, can I go in a breakout room with my lawyer?
Mr. Schlaff, you want to break our room?
For a short moment, yes.
Yeah.
That's who show up each year. Are all three guys together?
Which one you got?
One more, she said for 10:30, she's not quite here yet.
Okay. Are you guys at the kiosk using the alphabet list or the other one?
Judge, I converted over to the alphabet. When we're ready.
When you can, then let's figure out who's not here so I can start putting them in a bench warrant.
So ready when you are, Judge.
All right, we just need to get your client out of the breakout room. There we go. All right, what are we gonna do today?
I'm going to ask the court to set this for a preliminary exam.
How about September 20?
That far down the road?
It's got to be with me, and that's the next time I've got a date.
May I take a quick look?
Sure.
Would that be in the morning or in the afternoon?
We could do, Heather just told me we could do September 12th too. What time would that be?
That would be better.
Yeah, Patricia, that's your regular docket, so maybe if we set it for 10:30.
Yes, Judge, that would work. I would just have to arrange coverage with a victim advocate, but I can work that out.
All right. And does that work, Mr. Slav, 10:30 on the 12th?
It does, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
And I'm sorry, Judge, I do have a brief motion.
And I'm sorry, did you say the 12th or the 20th?
12th.
12th is fine.
That works, September 12th? Go ahead, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. I am requesting that the court enter an order suspending defendant's tablet privileges at the Wayne County Jail. It has been brought to my attention that defendant has been sending complaining witness multiple video chat requests and multiple text messages. The most recent text message, it appears, was sent on August 6th. And the Wayne County Jail temporarily suspended defendant's tablet privileges on August 9th.
Your Honor, may I ask the prosecutor if this is something coming from the complainant or is it coming from the jail?
It is coming for, they are screenshots. Sorry, I'm just pulling them up.
Yeah, go ahead.
They are screenshots that I believe were sent to complaining witness, but since complaining witness was in critical condition for a while, I believe that they were sent to, I believe her mother has access to her phone right now. I know her complaining witness's mother, Miss Burns, is present observing right now. If the court would like to speak to her, but they are screenshots that were sent to me by complaining witness's mother. I'd be happy to get copies from the jail though.
And if I may, Your Honor, if this is coming strictly from the complainant and not from the jail, I would oppose it. We've had numerous, I should say, tether violation hearings or bond hearings, I should say, in front of Judge Ramsey with the complaining witness, where the judge found her untruthful in her representations.
Mr. Mandarich, if you want to have a bond revocation hearing, we'll do that, or a bond amendment hearing.
Absolutely, Judge.
You can present your screenshots or whatever evidence you might have.
Thank you, Judge.
If I would prefer to do that live.
Okay.
We don't mean Mr. Neely live, but I'd like both counsels live in the courtroom if I'm going to take testimony and look at visual evidence.
And will that be today?
I don't know, counsel, how much time do you need to prep that?
Judge, if you want the screenshots from the Wayne County Jail itself, it sounds like defense counsel wants the screenshots from the Wayne County Jail itself, so that I would ask for at least a week to, if we could schedule this for Tuesday, the 22nd. I don't know if that's too soon.
If I may take a quick look. I have two preliminary exams with a defendant in Dearborn scheduled for 10 o'clock. Can you do it later in the morning?
That would work for me, Your Honor, if it works for the court.
Let's do it about 2 o'clock.
That'll be even better.
So you two will be live. Mr. Neely will zoom in.
Okay.
So 2 p.m. on the 22nd, correct?
Yes.
I've been trying to get the whole.
Mr. Neely, don't worry about it. We'll talk.
All right.
Anything else to do today?
No, sir.
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you Tuesday.
Thank you. Take care.
All right, Judge.
That guy's unbelievable. I know. Oh, yeah. So you can tell me the ones that are not here.
I can tell you who checked in. Want me to do that?
That's fine.
So we'll start from the top. Briscoe?
Briscoe's here.
Yes. Clayton?
Got it.
Croom?
Got it.
Hall?
Yep.
Ivory?
Yep.
Johnson?
Yep.
Leith?
Yep.
Manson?
Yep.
McNeil?
Yep.
Myers?
Myers is here.
Page? Anders?
Yep.
Say?
Yep.
Thompson?
Yep.
Vladimir?
Yep.
Very last one, Winfield.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Or did you do this?
Yeah, we got Briscoe's here.
We'll get this back to him at the desk.
Heather, how much effort would it be to do this and then have the time somewhere.
It will work.
So you can't, like, you'd have to type it in special. Yeah. Didn't you have Gonzalez here? Oh, then I must have missed the file. No. Which one? What are we talking about? Oh, yeah. So Gonzalez is not here. Oh, gotta do it. Is this Mr. Gutierrez? I am ready.
Daniel Matar on behalf of Kayla and Ivory, Your Honor. As to the arraignment, we'll waive it from reading, stand mute. Kayla, can you state your name for the record?
Kayla Ivory.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're setting this for final pretrial?
Yes, Judge, I'm waiting on discovery from the prosecutor's office. September 20th works for me.
That last one we set for final pretrial, that was for a complainant to appear, right?
So,
yeah.
Yes.
All right, what, 9:15? Mr. Ivory, that works?
Yes.
We'll get you a paper notice in just a minute, Mr. Ivory.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yep.
Judge, you know, I forgot to ask you, on this date on September 20th, I'm also doing on-call arraignments for the court. Is it possible on these final pretrials that I can just appear on Zoom with you?
No,
No?
this doesn't work for me. We're trying to separate our Zoom
No, that's fine.
habits. Yeah, no, I don't blame you for asking.
Somebody else on.
It's okay.
Let's see what it might be.
I don't like having you guys double docket anyhow. It's too disjointed for us. You know, when you're bouncing between arraignments and.
Thank you. Let me know if you have anything else. So I'll give you a call if I hear anything that the prosecutor's office on discovery.
They're still doing funding for rent
eviction diversion stuff. This is nationwide. So Susan and I are making a road trip Friday. New Alexandria, Pennsylvania. When she was a kid, her grandmother from Austria sent a sled over. That wood, the sled about that long, the seat on it still about that far off the runners. It's got like a woven, gold long strip of plastic woven, made jute fibers. Jute, it's a natural fiber. So she's been trying to find one forever. I started building one last year by looking at pictures, trying to build one in the barn, doing the bent wood, and I ran into problems. I'm like, yeah, I haven't given up yet, but I'm just. So she found one online. We're driving 4.5 hours to go buy it. Like, okay.
Can see some stuff you haven't seen.
This one for next week, but they just want to discuss.
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna call them. Thank you.
Always vote for dismissal. And of course, after she started making the deal with the woman on that one, like, well, we're gonna come down on Friday and blah, blah, blah. Then she found one closer to home, south of Chicago. But it's not, actually, it's not a hell of a lot closer.
It's really not that much closer.
Yeah. But it's not nearly as good a shape. The pictures that she got from this one in Pennsylvania, it's like it's pretty cool.
So you're going on there to get a replica?
To buy, it's the exact same. She said it's exactly what I used to have.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look at the pictures.
So is it like in an Amish area or?
Someone was got it for sale.
Oh, someone, okay. I didn't know if it was like a flea market.
No, just somebody on Facebook.
That's
Who
cool.
will not give us a phone number.
But they don't do that on Facebook. They want to do that app.
Okay.
But then if you're worried, is it, well, I guess it would be, I
don't know what she thinks I'm gonna do with a phone number. That's like I put a trailer on. Well, my trailer, I put it on Facebook. I had Pat look at it. So tell me what you think that damn thing's worth. I said, I'm thinking $300. He said, oh shit, that's fine. Okay. So I put it up and I said, what I'm looking for is a 4-foot by 6-foot trailer. So I'd love to trade, but I'm asking 500 OBO, and I'm willing to consider anything in trade. Hunting equipment, tools, whatever you got. I'm looking for some enjoyment. Right?
Yeah.
It's something I literally picked up free. And I've been using it to haul firewood around my yard, but the problem is it's so much wider than my golf cart. And then if I really load it up, because it's almost 6 by 8, if I really load it up, the golf cart would pull it, right? So the floor was all out of it. Somebody had a plywood floor on it. So I put white oak boards on it as a floor, put it on Facebook. See this guy
look good with the white oak. Does it look cool?
Well, I covered the white oak with waste oil because it waterproofs a little bit. So I put it up on Facebook. Guy says, so what's your bottom line? I'm like, well, I don't like to negotiate with myself. What's your offer? Nothing. I'm like, what? Okay, whatever.
So that's where it's at.
Oh, I've had a couple people say, is it still available? Yes, and then you don't hear anything from them.
Are you setting up to look at their seller reviews?
Oh, I don't even care.
So
it's a bond hearing on
Yeah, but I don't do anything. I'm not going face to face.
But that one you're driving to.
Yeah. Oh, Susie checked her out.
Okay, I was gonna say, make sure she got like 5 stars.
Right.
Whatever.
Right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Susie did that. I'll confirm her.
The bond violation hearing on next Tuesday for not one.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah.
This is the other one I was looking at.
That's a great
Transaction, she's had 20 transaction, has 5 stars.
That's a good deal. Yeah, she's had 2.
Yeah, they said they were good.
Maybe,
I think you
yeah.
got to have 5 for you to let you review.
Okay.
Make sure my stars are 5, or my seller and my buyer.
Arraignments for the People versus Katrina Shipman. What did I say? Arraignments. Appearances for Shipman.
So I know what you're talking.
Good morning, Chester Jeunesse, P 83295, representing Miss Katrina Shipman.
Well, I guess I don't need the prosecutor anyhow, counsel. I've got a piece of paper that says they want me to dismiss this, and I'm going to bet that's okay with you.
Man, 100%, Your Honor.
All right.
Is it
And
possible?
I don't think we have Miss.
No,
I'm sorry, we don't have Shipman online, so you're going to let Shipman know?
Yes, I was going to ask the clerk, could she please email it to me because she needs it for employment purposes.
Can you email him something?
They came up on register of action.
It's going to be on our register of action on our website. Can you just print the register of action out?
Yes, I can have her do that. Send that to her because she needs it for her job. Her job won't let her start back until she gets this resolved. So
Okay.
I'll print it.
That'll be, that information will be on the ROA in moments.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate you, Judge.
All right. Have a great day. Be safe.
Yeah. Yep.
What do we got?
Your Honor, since our sidebar, we've spoken further in talking to my client. If we wait to September 20th, my client's on suspension without pay. That's going to be more than a month suspension.
Yeah, I
It's
don't.
gonna be even longer. So
You pick a Wednesday.
Well, I've talked to the prosecution. I have the check in my hand made out to the complaining witness. I'm going to mail it out today. We've submitted a dismissal that says contingent on the payment being sent out within the next 3 days. The case is going to be dismissed. If it's not done, then if it
So we'll just
comes back,
we'll adjourn it till the 20th with an in-house review. With the idea we'll get a notice of dismissal from prosecution.
I believe they already submitted a dismissal.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, initially we were going to request an adjournment, but he
Did I get
informed
it?
us that his client is unable to return to work, and given the amount of time between now and the next day we can have this up, we're content with dismissing it, contingent on that being repaid within 3 days.
Well, I don't have a paper dismissal, but I don't need it. It's on the record.
Yeah.
If you two are satisfied.
We signed one. I don't know if it got submitted in the office.
It could be in the office. I'll grab it.
Yeah, if we could put it in the file, I appreciate that.
They want to dismiss it, we'll dismiss it. They can always refile.
Yeah.
Okay. Case dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
As well.
Assuming he brings it up.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
My client's gonna have to, can you just get an ROA to show his chief that the case has been dismissed?
If you wait a minute, we can get it. We'll get it for you.
Thank you.
Give us a few.
Thank you.
So if I told you about the jeweler that's training hours with Coco. So, I've worn this across from Max, or some version, it's lost one. So, thank you. So, that's it. Thank you very much. I didn't sure I had that down. So, cross that line, like that chase now. Oh, gosh. So Coco's way out in the plaza. I know he's got some guys he does a lot of, jewelers he does a lot of work with. I thought they were Southland Mall, but I knew they were in that area. Because Cheyenne had to have something done, and she said, drop it off at that jeweler, because I'm gonna see them later this week. Safe people drive, you know. So I sent him a text, I said, I broke the chain on my ring across. Is that something the guy in my area can take care of? And he said, yeah, just stop and see him, ask to talk to Sarkis or Torres. Send me the address. So I go in there yesterday, and they're right at Rocco, and there's, I think, the building, I think it's Motif Jewelers, and I think it's a cell phone company, I think. Looks like a brand new building.
It was, they built it when, did you see BJ's across the street?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
BJ's?
yeah.
Before BJ's was even open, they built that building, and that was BJ's membership.
Oh,
Where
okay.
they were. that's
That
not
they were
membership.
signing people up
Yeah,
before they
yeah.
had the store.
Yeah, so
Okay.
so it is new.
I mean, really nice. Have you been in it? Really nice store. I mean,
They moved from the mall to there.
did they?
Yeah, the Motif used to be in the mall.
I mean, offered me coffee, offered me water. So I walked in and said, hey, you know, I need to speak to Toros or Sarkis, and Coco said, you know, and they're like, oh, Toros is in the back, what do you got? Oh, okay, takes my chain in the back. Pretty soon the guy comes out, hands it to me. Soldered it up, put it through their ultrasonic cleaner, so it's like sparkly. And I'm like, okay, what do I owe you? He said, nothing. I'm like, no, I'll pay you. He said, no. I said, I'll pay you. He said, no. Coco said, no, don't charge it. I'm like, come on. He said, no, hey, it's Coco. So I walk out and I said, Coco, I said, Toros, what do you charge me? What's up with that? And he responded, I told him not to.
Wow.
It's like, I do not do business with a guy like that. And I know, you know, he's taking care of something for one of Toros' clients, you know what I mean?
Right.
But it's like, he knows perfectly well I'm willing to pay for it. He's just a great guy to deal with. I just wish he was freaking, you know, it's Greenfield Plaza.
I remember I got my first.
You get off
I got this-
Southfield,
yeah.
it's Greenfield.
It's been there
It's
forever.
bad enough. If you'll always say, text me when you're in the parking lot, I'll come down and watch you. That's the name.
Yeah. Yeah, Scott got me this when I was 16. From Greenfield Plaza,
Yeah.
my first.
Well, back then, the whole building was done.
Yeah,
Floors.
yeah.
And
I mean, I've never
now
been
it's a
there.
bunch of hair extension places and everything else. He doesn't have much inventory at all at his jewelry shop where he's at. Because if you don't clear your cabinets every night, they'll smash and grab you. Right?
And then if you're walking
And
out
then-
with your whole inventory.
So he says, last time we wanted to pull Susie bracelets. Susie, I bought Susie a gold one. You ever heard this story? I bought Susie a gold bangle years and years ago. And it had one of those little snaps where it goes, you know, this piece goes into that piece, it's on a spring. And over the years, it would break. He'd fix it, it would break. Twice I JD welded it on her hand. Right? So she finally loses the damn thing. And it's bottom. She's used to having that gold bangle. So I called Coco and said, hey, Coco, his number's fine. I said, Coco, I said, Susie's gold bangle and fixed 100 times. I said, she finally lost the baby on the wire. She said, give me a couple of weeks. She said, you know, I know what she likes, which is hilarious because my wife doesn't buy jewelry, right? So that's one of my complaints always been. I could never buy a flowers because we already had cats and cats need flowers. She didn't like jewelry, right? She didn't. The last lingerie I bought her, right? I'll tell you how long it was. The last lingerie I bought her, I never saw it after she unwrapped it. Months and months later, I walk in the house. We're still in picture. I walk in the house.
Will you please tell him the world is listening?
I'm saying, okay, there's nothing. It's clean. I'm like, okay, well, I guess I know we should go in and seriously, Shane was, you know, trust him. Okay, so now back to the bracelet. So Coco calls me a couple weeks later, something like that. So I got a few that, you know. Oh, no. He said, I'm gonna send you a website, have her check out this website, give you an idea of what she likes. That's how you do the most, you know, the shop at Coco, you do it online, you can get in it, right? So anyhow, we go down to the store, and he says, he comes out and he says, what do you think of this one? And he shows